Hello. So where are we?
Well, I've consulted with the prosecution and she pointed out some things to me. And Mr. Ramon wants to apply for veterans treatment.
Okay, so he's going to apply for Veterans Treatment Court.
Yeah, and we spoke to the coordinator. He said he can evaluate him.
Did he give you an idea?
He said there's a wait. He didn't tell
All
me.
right, Ms. Ferguson, on Ernest Ramon, give me a reset date for 30 days so we can see where we are on the veterans. All right, Mr. Ramon, we're going to bring you back on August 7th.
Okay.
She's going to give you a reset form. Make sure that you stay in touch with your attorney and stay in touch with Veterans Treatment Court. Court is calling 2022 CR 4823, State of Texas versus Nicholas Michael Henderson. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Arnold Ortiz for Mr. Henderson.
Are you Mr. Henderson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
He did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Henderson, I'm showing you what's entitled application for probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Both counts?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Henderson, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're being charged with theft of a, well, motorcycle, but vehicle, 2,500 to 30,000 as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
I understand.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. Examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Henderson, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count one only. Punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $500 fine. The state is opposing your application for deferred adjudication. They're recommending community supervision. There's to be restitution to Brennan, Brennen, Perkins, and this cause number, the theft course, and the MRT course. Did you understand that to be the plea?
I do, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
I did, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Not by me. He had filed one on his own.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with Brennan Perkins. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
I do, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged in count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, I submit States Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? And all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Right, after reviewing state's exhibits one and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we request that we follow the prosecution's recommendation.
All right, so you're not asking for deferred adjudication?
We are not.
All right. All right, Mr. Henderson, are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
I work in the oil field on a drilling rig.
We would ask that he be allowed to travel outside, although he will reside in Bear County.
All right, do you have any children?
I do
What are their ages?
17 and 16.
And do they live with you or with their
They
mom?
live with their mother.
Okay.
I get custody of them when they're not in school,
Okay.
however you want to put that.
All right, you've been to prison before?
No, man,
Jail before?
I've been to jail.
All right, for what?
Petty theft and DUI.
All right, and what's up with these tattoos?
Bunch of stuff when I was younger, just I've grown out of it all.
All right, what's with the arm that's covered in the black ink?
Yeah, that's a whole bunch of cover-ups.
Who did that cover up?
I had a friend of mine do
that-
that.
That
It's
was,
horrible.
that's not from the ink show. When they do a cover up on the ink show, they do a great cover up.
Yeah, again, like I said, it once upon a time type of thing. I've grown out of all that.
And what's the tattoo on this side?
It's just a bunch of like Greek mythology stuff. Again, younger.
Oh, well, who is that supposed to be? I can't tell.
The Mary Magdalene.
She's not a part of Greek mythology, is she?
Well,
I don't think she is.
No. But the rest of it is just,
Okay.
like I said, I was a lot younger and a lot dumber.
It's not his fault. He's from Indiana.
Wow.
All right.
We got watermelons too.
Okay. Well, hopefully they're sweeter than what's at the HEB. You know, I'll be the stereotypical Black person. I love watermelon, especially if it's sweet. This season hasn't been that good, though, Robert Porter. It's been hit or miss. Right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 4 years, 200 hours of community service restitution, probation. Since he's going to be working in the all fields, if he wants to pay that off at $7.25 per hour to the San Antonio Food Bank or some other charity that the court would approve of, you can do that as opposed to the community service hours.
Okay.
The theft course, the MRT course. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, or you can do the patch. And usually a patch doesn't work in all fields, but probation can go over that with you. There's to be no contact and restitution, if any, to Brennan. And we'll do field visits one time per month, probation, and you can just check to see how things are at the home and make that one visit a random visit. And if you think he needs more, then you all can do it as needed. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And probation, if he's working in the all fields, then he's allowed to work in the all fields. Probation is, does he need anything else? Need anything else from the court to be successful?
No.
Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. The MRT course is supposed to teach you how to do what's right.
That's moral recognition therapy.
Yes,
Yeah,
but you
I've heard of it.
you should know the difference between right and wrong. How old are you?
I'm 39.
It's time to stop the foolishness. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself in somebody's prison, be it Indiana or Texas or wherever. People don't like their property stolen. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. I will let her know. Mr. Terrazas, your attorney had a death in the family, so he's not going to be here today.
I already know. I had asked him if I can get another attorney because he hasn't been showing up to any courts or he hasn't came to
Mhm.
see me within 4 months that I've been here.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Norma,
And he also wrote a email to the DAs and basically telling them I was guilty without.
now, here's the thing. Let me just explain something to you. In this court, I don't allow defense attorneys or prosecutors to speak badly about somebody unless they're here to address it, right? And so I don't allow people who are accused to speak badly about their attorneys unless they're here to address it. You understand? All right, so Ms. Ferguson, with regards to Mr. Terrazas, was Mr. Jimenez appointed? Can you call the MAC?
I'm here.
All right, Mr. Behrens, your video is not showing.
It's not? It
Yeah.
is on my end.
Who are you here for?
Titus Ramirez.
All right, have you spoken
there
to
in
an
person.
attorney? Spoken to the prosecutors?
No, I have not. That's what I was hoping to do. I just sent a chat about that.
All right,
This is,
we
This is
will
the first
get a
setting.
prosecutor to call you.
okay, great.
All right, thank you. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 5075, State of Texas versus Parker Pimentel. Have parties announced for the record for the state
Travis Banks, for the state of Texas.
defense.
Charles Gold from Mr. Pimentel.
All right, and we have Mr. Parker Pimentel by video. Any objections to the defendant being by video, state?
No objection.
No objections from Mr. Pimentel. For Parker Pimentel, that is.
All right, the defense has filed a motion asking that bond conditions be amended or altered and amended to allow for contact or allow him to live with the complainant. Is that correct?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. We wish to change from no contact order to no harmful or injurious contact.
All right, state, are you going to have any objection to this?
Well, the state is not in agreement to that motion, Your Honor, and so I guess by virtue of that, the state is objecting and allowing the court to make a ruling.
All right. All right, state. And do you have any witnesses?
The state has no witnesses.
All right, defense, the court asks that the complainant be present, and I see the complainant is present. State, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
The state,
He's here.
I don't think the state has spoken.
All right, would you all like to speak to him?
Can I make a comment, Judge?
Just one moment. Have you all talked to the complainant?
We're looking into our notes at the moment.
Well, do y'all want to speak to him? Because I see that this is about, according to the police report, which no one had any objections to the court reviewing, it's about a laundry basket and somebody being hit with a laundry basket. So do y'all want to confer and get a chance to talk with the complainant
Yes.
and defense? All right. Thank you. All right. So the state and the defense are going to talk with you. Okay.
Okay,
All right. Thank you.
thank you, Mel.